Okay, so today we are cooking onion chapati.
Today to eat onion chapati.
Yeah, what's your name?
Jason.
Gifton. Okay. So we start with what? Flour. This is flour. I help you or you want to pour it?
Okay.
Let me help you. Oh, you can do it.
Yeah. And that's a lot. So, you
That's
don't
enough?
have a lot.
That's enough.
This is
Okay.
enough.
And then next you are putting what?
Egg.
There's egg here. Good.
That's delicious.
And then you put what? Onions.
Onion. No, onion. Delicious. Okay.
Yeah.
Yo. Delicious.
Is finished? Okay.
One way.
Yeah.
Ow. Hey, buddy, that was us.
There we go.
What's wrong with you?
Thank you.
Hey, wait.
Okay.
Ow.
You can mix.
Okay. What's this? Wait. Ow. Whoa. Careful.
Let me help you with the salt. Just a little salt.
Wait.
And what is this called?
I don't know.
Turmeric. Say turmeric. Just a little.
Ow.
Oh, it's a lot.
The
But it's okay.
apples. Hey,
Mix.
wait.
Yeah, mix.
Ow. Ah.
You're mixing.
Come up.
Yeah. Mix well. I help you. Mix.
Hey, wait.
Mix.
Ow.
Like that, mix. Mix.
Okay, we made the dough.
Yeah. Now it's to make a dough.
Yeah.
Okay, next I will bring what? Milk. Say we'll put milk now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now where's the milk?
Yeah, let me bring
What's
the milk.
that first?
Just a little. And then you mix. Yeah. And then you mix.
Ow. That's
To make it
delicious.
into a dough.
It's Jesus. Not the water milk.
Yeah, add a little milk.
Hey, ow. Hey. Hey, wait.
Add more milk
What's wrong with you?
because you want to make it into a dough. You want to make it into a dough.
Hey, that's it. My fish waiting.
Yeah. Just continue. Just a little.
Okay.
And
Just
then you
ow.
mix. Yeah.
Ow. Hey,
Mix,
are you
mix.
missing me?
Yeah. Continue mixing.
And what is that right there, Bobby?
Oh, we forgot. This one is the butter. Say
Hey.
butter.
Butter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we mix.
Ow. That was us.
Yeah. Mixing. Okay, let me help him and then we'll be right back. And this one is ready. My green gram stew is ready. You use it with the finger now.
Yeah.
Let's see. Make it into dough now. Do like this. Make it into a dough. Okay, make it into a dough. Can put here.
I'm supposed to wash my hands.
No, it's okay. You're making a dough. To make a dough. Make a dough. Like that.
Hey,
It's okay. Good. Mix.
Okay,
let me help you.
salt.
Let me help you. Now it's soft. You see, I've helped you.
Yeah.
Now it's soft. Okay, you can do it now. Yeah. Hello. For you, still hard. It's soft.
So, that's how that's.
Yeah. It's heavy. Oh, can hold it. There you go.
Where do we put it?
That is it. We'll put here in the flat area, and then we put. It's soft. Look at it, soft. There you go. You brought it. So you put flour first.
So, you want to do? I
Put
took
the
it
flour.
in this mess. Hey, it's a mess of this. Hey, don't worry. You're killing me. What's wrong with you? Oh, that pizza.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Why did the wife find it? I don't like that. No. Over here.
I help you now. Okay, I help you. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? Let me help you. Go. Okay, let's put oil now.
Okay.
Just spread like this. Yeah.
Oh, that like
Yeah.
that.
Spread this. Oh, sorry. Massage. Wow. Massage. Massage. And then you put this one. Like that.
We're supposed to apply
Okay. After that, you roll. Look at this roll. Roll like this.
Okay, you want to buy sausage. Yeah, we just sausage today.
Like that.
I was why I have my knife. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all we. See, that's us. That's us. Oh. Mary,
There you go.
that's Onion Chapati.
Yeah, video nitadilete. You turn and then you press it. You turn, you press it.
Yeah.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And what do we do now, Buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After this now, put it. Okay. So put this one just a little.
Can I say a teapot?
Yeah, continue.
How Oh, we made it. I can put this. Hey. I can put it. And what I sound? Bye. Here we go.
Welcome to Bliss and Gift TV. I'm blessed, I'm gifted. Here we entertaining you, cooking, dancing, and games. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. We really appreciate. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Love you all. Welcome. Welcome to Bless and Gift TV. I'm blessed, I'm gifted. Here we entertain, cooking, dancing, and games. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. We really appreciate. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Love you all. Welcome to Bliss and Gift TV. I'm blessed, I'm gifted. Here we entertaining you, cooking, dancing, and games. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. We really appreciate.